How to invest $100,000 in the best gold IRA companies. Looking to secure your retirement savings? Investing $100,000 in a gold IRA can offer stability and growth. Here's the guide to help you navigate this investment. Understanding gold IRAs. 1. What is a gold IRA? A gold IRA is similar to a traditional IRA but holds physical gold or other approved precious metals. 2. Benefits: it hedges against inflation, diversifies your portfolio, and provides stability during economic downturns. Choosing the best gold IRA company. 1. Reputation: look for companies with positive reviews and high ratings from trusted sources like the BBB. 2. Fees: ensure transparency in fee structures to avoid hidden costs. 3. Customer service: opt for companies with excellent support and educational resources. 4. Storage options: choose companies that offer secure, IRS-approved depositories with segregated storage. 5. Buyback policies: favorable buyback policies enhance liquidity. Steps to invest $100,000. 1. Research and compare: evaluate potential companies, their fees, and customer reviews. 2. Choose a custodian: select a reliable custodian to manage your IRA. 3. Open your account, complete the necessary paperwork and transfer funds. 4. Select precious metals: choose IRS-approved metals like gold bullion, coins, or bars. 5. Arrange storage: ensure secure storage in an IRS-approved depository. 6. Monitor your investment: regularly review and adjust your portfolio as needed. Investing in a gold IRA with $100,000 involves careful planning. By selecting a reputable company and following these steps, you can protect and grow your retirement savings. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.